The Alloyman 480 foot-pounds cordless impact. Let's check it out. User's manual, charger, battery. Of course, the impact itself feels pretty heavy in my hands. And you get an assortment of lug nut sockets. We got a stubby 22, 19, 18, 17, 21, and a 20, the elusive 20. Battery life indicator, and then you got your power. Low, medium, high, and direct. That's high. Also came with 3 half-inch extenders. We got an axe nut to torque down here, so we're gonna zip it down with this Alloyman. Feels pretty good. We're gonna put this guy to work in the garage, see how long it lasts and how well it performs.